Under the warm morning sun, fresh pomegranates are carefully harvested, preserved with precision and respect. Bathed in natural light, every pomegranate is gently handled, ensuring unmatched freshness from the very first touch.
This crate is almost full.
Bring another one over here.
Highly skilled workers gently collect each pomegranate, protecting its natural freshness. After harvest, hundreds of fresh pomegranates begin their journey aboard a transport truck. They are transferred into a refrigerated truck, where controlled temperature protects their natural freshness. At the facility, the journey continues as carefully protected pomegranates are unloaded and prepared with precision, ensuring that every fruit arrives safe, fresh, and ready for the next phase of excellence. Before entering the main process, every pomegranate is carefully inspected and verified. Then, advanced automation takes over, gently handling each fruit with precision, ensuring consistent quality from the very beginning of production. Now, fresh pomegranates are gently released onto the production line, beginning their carefully controlled journey through a process designed to protect quality at every step. Now, fresh pomegranates are gently released onto the production line, beginning their carefully controlled journey through a process designed to protect quality at every step. If you enjoy seeing how real products are made, consider subscribing for more behind-the-scenes processes. Here, hundreds of vibrant pomegranates flow into the system, creating a powerful first visual moment where their natural color and beauty begin to take center stage. As the pomegranates cascade into stainless steel receivers, the process becomes both technical and mesmerizing, combining powerful movement with absolute respect for every single fruit. Now the pomegranates begin their controlled journey on the conveyors, carefully guided forward, protected, organized, and prepared for what comes next with precision. With consistent motion and perfect balance, these premium pomegranates enter deeper into the plant, marking the beginning of a transformation. Now the pomegranates enter the washing system, where powerful streams of crystal clear water begin removing impurities, preparing each fruit for the next stage of perfection. Carefully controlled washing removes every trace of dust from the pomegranates, while gentle motion protects their surface, ensuring cleanliness without compromising their natural integrity. A final cascade of purified water rinses the pomegranates, leaving them fresh, spotless, and ready to continue their journey through a highly controlled and hygienic process. Now, carefully selected pomegranates travel across the inspection lines, where every fruit is guided forward with precision, ensuring consistency, hygiene, and complete control at every stage of the process. Here, advanced systems help organize each pomegranate, maintaining perfect flow and balance, as only the finest fruit continues through the production journey. Skilled technicians gently examine the pomegranates, checking texture, firmness, and quality, making sure every fruit meets strict standards before moving ahead. Any pomegranate that does not meet requirements is immediately removed, guaranteeing that only premium, perfectly selected fruit continues to the next phase of production. Now, the carefully selected pomegranates move into the precision preparation zone, where every fruit is positioned and aligned with accuracy, ensuring absolute control before the cutting stage begins. Here, advanced systems gently stabilize each pomegranate, creating perfect orientation and balance, so the next step can be performed with maximum safety and consistency. Now, the carefully chosen pomegranates advance through the automated selection line, guided with precision and control. Every movement is calculated to protect their quality, ensuring only the finest fruit continues through the production journey. With controlled motion and remarkable precision, the pomegranates begin the scoring phase, where delicate surface cuts are made to prepare each fruit for a clean and efficient opening. Now, the carefully scored pomegranates enter the opening stage, where precision systems gently apply controlled pressure, preparing each fruit to reveal the richness hidden inside. With remarkable accuracy, the pomegranates begin to open naturally along their scoring lines, allowing the interior to separate smoothly while protecting the valuable arils within. Here, technology and gentle motion work together, helping each pomegranate open perfectly and consistently, creating the ideal conditions for the next phase of extraction. Now, the open pomegranates move into the extraction system, where carefully controlled motion begins separating the precious ruby arils from the rind. Every step is designed to protect quality while capturing the natural richness inside each fruit. Gently, the pomegranate arils begin to release, falling like vibrant red jewels into stainless steel collectors. Advanced engineering ensures maximum efficiency while maintaining the natural integrity, color, and purity of every single aril. Here, technology and precision work together in perfect balance. As the pomegranate arils continue through the extraction line, every movement is controlled, every detail monitored, guaranteeing a clean, efficient, and highly protective process. With precision engineering, the open pomegranates now advance into the next stage of processing. Here, every section is carefully positioned and guided, allowing the valuable arils to be separated gently and efficiently, while maintaining their natural color, freshness, and exceptional quality. As the process continues, the pomegranate arils begin to release gently, separating from the rind with remarkable precision. Carefully controlled motion protects their delicate structure, allowing each aril to remain intact, vibrant, and full of natural freshness. Now, thousands of bright pomegranate arils move forward like a flowing river of ruby crystals, collected in sanitized stainless steel channels. Every stage is monitored with accuracy, ensuring purity, hygiene, and maximum efficiency throughout the extraction journey. Now, the freshly released pomegranate arils flow smoothly onto the conveyor system, moving forward in a perfectly controlled stream. Each aril is guided gently, protecting its structure, freshness, and vibrant natural color. With precision and balance, thousands of pomegranate arils continue their journey through the automated line, traveling in a clean, hygienic environment as the process prepares them for the next stage of refinement and quality control. Here, technology and quality control work together in perfect balance. Sensors and monitoring systems ensure that the extracted pomegranate arils maintain ideal condition, guaranteeing consistency in every single batch that continues to the next phase of production. In a highly controlled environment, specialized teams carefully examine the extracted pomegranate arils, verifying purity, freshness, and structural integrity. Every detail is analyzed with precision to ensure only premium quality continues through the next stage of production. As they reach the canning station, the pomegranate arils are gently portioned and prepared, ensuring each can receives the perfect amount, maintaining consistency, purity, and exceptional product quality. A carefully prepared protective syrup is added to the cans, preserving the freshness, color, and natural flavor of the pomegranate arils while ensuring long-lasting quality. Now, each can is securely sealed under controlled conditions, creating a perfectly safe environment that protects the pomegranate product from the outside world and guarantees long-term preservation. As production continues, the carefully processed pomegranates travel smoothly across the conveyor system, moving with precision toward the next transformation stage. Here, advanced technology will gently convert these premium pomegranates into rich, vibrant pulp, preparing them for the creation of pure, high-quality pomegranate juice. Now, the freshly extracted pomegranate juice flows into the advanced processing system, moving through carefully designed channels that protect its purity, color, and natural essence. Here, the pomegranate juice undergoes its first stage of filtration, where precision technology removes unwanted particles, ensuring a cleaner and smoother liquid while maintaining its rich, natural integrity. Through multiple refining stages, the pomegranate juice is gently clarified, achieving a perfect balance between purity and texture, while preserving the vibrant crimson character that defines its premium quality. Inside massive stainless steel tanks, the pomegranate juice is carefully blended. Slow, controlled mixing ensures even consistency, creating a uniform flavor profile across every future bottle. Specialized systems gently adjust the natural density and body of the pomegranate juice, achieving a smooth, refined texture that delivers a superior sensory experience with every sip. Every batch of pomegranate juice is visually analyzed to ensure its deep red brilliance, clarity, and consistency, reflecting the unmistakable identity of premium pomegranate production. If you'd like to explore pomegranate-based products, you'll find a related link in the description. It helps support the channel. Now, the refined pomegranate juice enters the glass bottling line, where crystal clear bottles are precisely positioned. Each bottle is filled with care, allowing the deep ruby color of the pomegranate juice to shine through pure glass with flawless consistency. With synchronized precision, streams of pomegranate juice flow smoothly into every glass bottle. Advanced filling systems ensure exact volume and balance, preserving purity, freshness, and visual perfection at every step of the process. Now, the filled glass bottles enter the labeling line, where precision systems apply each label with perfect alignment, transforming every bottle of pomegranate juice into a finished, shelf-ready product. With seamless synchronization, the labeling line moves forward as each bottle of pomegranate juice receives its label flawlessly, ensuring consistency, clarity, and a refined visual identity across the entire production run. Now, finished glass bottles of pomegranate juice are carefully guided into protective cartons, where precision packing ensures stability, safety, and flawless presentation for every unit. With controlled motion, each box is filled and aligned, securing the pomegranate fruits and bottles in place while preserving quality throughout storage and transportation. Here, the boxed pomegranate juice products are sealed and prepared for distribution, completing a packaging process designed for efficiency, durability, and premium handling. With packaging complete, boxed pomegranates are organized and staged for transport, ready to deliver freshness and quality to markets worldwide. As this journey comes to an end, the story of the pomegranate continues beyond the factory floor. If you enjoy discovering how real products are made through precision and craftsmanship, consider subscribing to the channel to explore more behind-the-scenes processes like this one.